Ever wished your oven could fry food to crispy perfection without the guilt? Well, today's your lucky day. Welcome back to the channel, friends. We're diving into the top 5 best oven air fryers that'll change how you cook forever. Check the links below to grab yours and level up your kitchen game. At number 5 is the MFVV Airfryer Oven. Imagine cooking crispy fries, juicy chicken, and roasted veggies, all at once, using 85% less oil. The MFVV Airfryer Oven makes that magic real. Its dual-zone design and 10-in-1 versatility handle everything: baking, roasting, toasting, even rotisserie, in a massive 24-quart space. At $199.99, it cooks 60% faster than traditional ovens, delivering even, golden perfection every time. Yes, it's a bit bulky, but that power and performance easily replace multiple appliances. Compared to others, it feels smoother, smarter, and far more convenient. After testing it thoroughly, one thing's clear: this is a total game changer for busy families and health-conscious cooks alike. You get less mess, less oil, and way more flavor in every bite. The MFVV Airfryer Oven isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. At number 4 is Ninja Toaster Oven. What if your toaster oven could sear a steak like a cast iron pan and air fry crispy fries at the same time? That is exactly what the Ninja Toaster Oven delivers. With dual heat technology reaching up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks 65% faster and uses 75% less fat. At $329.99, it packs 13 functions: air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, even pizza. Compared to others in the top 5 oven air fryers, it is faster, smarter, and space-saving thanks to its flip-up design. The pros are incredible power, precision, and versatility. The cons are the price, but for restaurant-level results, it earns every cent. Tested for real-world comfort, it is perfect for busy families or food lovers who want speed and flavor in one sleek package. On number 3 is the Gluck AirFryer Oven. What if one appliance could replace your oven, toaster, and dehydrator, while cooking healthier meals in half the time? Meet the Gluck AirFryer Oven, the multitasking marvel redefining home cooking for busy families and food lovers alike. People often complain about uneven cooking, dry meats, and cluttered countertops. This Gluck solves it all. With 1800 watts of power and 360-degree hot air circulation, it locks in moisture, giving you crispy fries and tender chicken without drowning food in oil. At 20-quart capacity, it is perfect for family feasts, and its 10-in-1 versatility lets you roast, bake, toast, and dehydrate with ease. Compared to others in the top 5 oven air fryers, it stands out for its non-toxic, BPA-free design and beginner-friendly touchscreen. The pros are spacious, powerful, and safe. The cons are slightly bulky. But for $199, it delivers peace of mind, flavor, and real value. At number 2 is Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer. What if your next family dinner could go from frozen to perfectly crispy in just minutes, without the greasy mess? That is the magic of the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer, a powerful blend of style, speed, and smart cooking. Most people struggle with burnt toast, soggy fries, or dry chicken, but this air fryer fixes that effortlessly. With its dual-speed fan and 360-degree superheated air circulation, every bite comes out evenly golden and full of flavor. The 26-quart capacity makes it perfect for families, letting you rotisserie a 6-pound chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza with ease. At $157.49, it delivers serious performance at an impressive value. Compared to others in the top 5 oven air fryers, this one wins for its sleek stainless steel design and elegant French doors. The pros are spacious, precise, and affordable. The cons are slightly large footprint. But tested for real-world comfort, it feels like owning a professional kitchen right at home. Now moving to the last one is Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. What if your favorite comfort foods could taste deep-fried, but with zero guilt? That is exactly what the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven brings to the table, a perfect mix of power, precision, and pure flavor satisfaction. Many people face the same issue: soggy fries, uneven toast, or waiting forever for preheating. This 1800 watt powerhouse solves it all with Air Advantage technology, circulating hot air evenly for crispy, golden results every time. With a 12-inch pizza capacity, this model easily handles family meals while offering 8 cooking functions: air fry, bake, broil, grill, and more. Compared to others in the top 5 oven air fryers, it stands out for its simple dial control and stainless steel build that feels premium yet user-friendly. The pros are fast, consistent, and super easy to clean. The cons are slightly smaller than some models. But tested for real-world comfort, it feels like owning a mini professional oven at home. If you want reliability, precision, and mouth-watering results every single time, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is your best pick. Its powerful 1800 watt performance, crisp Air Advantage technology, and sleek stainless steel design make cooking effortless and consistent. Whether it is fries, pizza, or roast chicken, it delivers golden perfection with zero guilt. Easy to clean, energy efficient, and family friendly, this oven air fryer truly combines style, performance, and everyday practicality. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best oven air fryer. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.